Your trusted real estate company in Hyderabad, Vertical Bar Vision VVK Housing India. Private Limited. This dynamic, rapidly developing city of Hyderabad makes it both a thrilling and challenging work to find the ideal property. Hyderabad has developed into one of India's top real estate markets thanks to its booming IT sector, rich tradition of culture, and growing infrastructure. Finding the perfect commercial space in this ever-changing market demands knowledge, commitment, and a thorough awareness of the local real estate market, whether you're a first-time home buyer, an experienced investor, or a business owner. Vision VVK Housing India Private Limited is best real estate company in Hyderabad, fills that need. Who we are. Vision VVK Housing India. Private Limited is a premier real estate company in Hyderabad, committed to providing exceptional service and personalized solutions to meet the diverse needs of our clients. With years of experience and a proven track record, we have established ourselves as a trusted name in the Hyderabad real estate market. Our mission is to help you find not just a property, but the perfect place that feels like home or the ideal investment that promises substantial returns. Our expertise as a leading real estate company in Hyderabad, Vision VVK Housing prides itself on its in-depth knowledge of the local market. Our team of seasoned professionals is well versed in the latest market trends, property values, and legalities involved in real estate transactions. We offer a multiple range of services, including residential properties. Whether you're looking for a luxurious apartment, a spacious villa, or a cozy home, we have a wide array of residential properties to suit every lifestyle and budget. Commercial properties, from office spaces to retail units. We provide prime commercial properties that cater to various business needs, ensuring strategic locations and high visibility. Investment opportunities. We offer expert guidance on lucrative investment opportunities, helping you maximize your returns and build a robust property portfolio. Property management. Our services extend beyond buying and selling. We also provide property management solutions to help you maintain and enhance the value of your investments. Why choose Vision VVK Housing India Private Limited? 1. Personalized service. At Vision VVK Housing, we believe in building long-term relationships with our clients. We take the time to understand your unique needs, preferences, and financial goals, offering tailored solutions that align with your vision. 2. Transparency and integrity. We uphold the highest standards of transparency and integrity in all our dealings. Our clients trust us to provide honest advice, clear communication, and ethical practices throughout the buying or selling process. 3. Extensive network. Our extensive network of contacts within the industry ensures that we have access to the best properties and the latest market information, giving our clients a competitive edge. 4. Community commitment. Beyond our business endeavors, we are deeply committed to giving back to the community. Through initiatives like the Budhana Mahotsavam and Guru Devobhava Awards, we support and recognize the contributions of individuals in various fields, fostering a spirit of community and gratitude. Conclusion. In a bustling real estate market like Hyderabad, we are most trusted real estate company in Hyderabad. Having a reliable and experienced partner can make all the difference. Vision VVK Housing India, PVT Limited, stands out as a beacon of trust, expertise, and dedication, helping you navigate the complexities of real estate with confidence and ease. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, we are here to turn your real estate dreams into reality. Join us at Vision VVK Housing India, Private Limited, your real estate company in Hyderabad, and let's embark on this exciting journey together.